Oh my god. Look at Malta. Malta by night, guys. Malta by night. This place is absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a very quick room tour of my room here in Malta. Let's just get started. Welcome. Okay, so here is the main door. When you walk in through the door, yeah. So there's the outside of the room. This is the main living area, I guess you could say. We've got a mini dining table, sofa. We have a lovely TV, and then throughout this way we have the balcony. You can see the sea in the distance. It's quite windy today. No, it's very windy today. But look at this view, it's so nice. So pretty. It's really nice. You can see how crazy the wind is. So that's the balcony. Okay, then we have, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is basically a massive cupboard, but I guess it does what it has to do. You've got the sink, microwave, toaster, fridge, bin. I made microwavable eggs yesterday. I feel like a genius chef. Okay, next we have the bathroom. Hi! The bathroom is probably the nicest part of this place. It's nice. We've got the toilet, water, a nice mirror. They gave us these toiletries, which are really nice. Toothbrush, my skincare sachet things. If you've been watching my other videos, then you will recognize some of these products. And I've also got my toner there. And then we have the shower here, which is quite nice. It's also a bath, so you can have a bath. I'm not really a bath person, so I feel like I won't have a bath, but definitely shower views. We brought that shower gel, and then the towels. The room was also just cleaned, so fresh new towels. Okay, let's exit the room. This is the like hallway-ish area. I've got a nice lamp, nice bit of artwork. Just the floor is a bit messy. This is what the bathroom looks like with the light off. So the mirror's got like these green lights, which is quite nice. They really illuminate the room. They give it like a matrix kind of vibe. Okay. This is what it looks like in the dark. You can still use this room in the dark, I imagine. And then we have the room artwork. This is a twin bed, I think. So like two beds pretty much as one. This is my sign, my laptop, my shoes. I spilled juice earlier today. Got my mouth guard, no, and the wardrobe. It's quite a big wardrobe, and it's mirrored, which is nice. I think I need one of these in my house. It's nice to see what you look like properly, which is nice. And then obviously inside we've got all of the stuff that's in there. Quick look, all the clothes that I brought. I pack very simply because I used to overpack, which I found was hindering me. So I've got my Longchamp travel bag and my small Longchamp bag, and then my brother's backpack. That is now mine. Yeah, I pack very simply just because I used to overpack and just realised I never wore half the stuff I took. So now I've got more of a strategic packing plan. Okay, and then out here we have another balcony, terrace, whatever you want to call it. Quite small. Just looking out. Slidey door. It's quite nice. The view is very nice. This is the view. I haven't been out here yet, but it is very nice. I see this flag floating every morning. So look at how nice this place is. I really love that building over there. That's really nice. And this is the street. And then down there, the view, which is really nice. It's really pretty, I think. So this hotel was actually also a spa. So downstairs there was a place we could get treatment, a swimming pool, sauna, shower room. I did spend every single day in the sauna for about an hour and a half in the evening with my sister. It was extremely relaxing, nice to have everything sweat out, all of the toxins, all of that, just to help really relax us. You'll be seeing a lot more of inside the sauna in some future vlogs as well. Now I'm just going to show you a bit more around the hotel. Oh my god, look at Malta. Malta by night, guys. Malta by night. This place is absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay guys, that was my room tour. Yeah, this is where I'm staying while I'm in Malta. It's quite nice. I'm not really used to staying in hotels so much, so this is quite different to what place where I usually stay. But yeah, anyway, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Make sure you check out my blog by alicexo.com and my Instagram account dap_by_alicexo. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.